you with grandma.
Oh boy. He has a good grandma.
Peggy, and you.
That's right.
So say. It's,
What you say, DJ? Speak up. Huh?
DJ. Oh boy.
DJ.
you gonna talk to Grandpa, DJ?
Hi there. Hi there. Boy,
Damon, can you hold this for me for a second? I'm gonna run in the kitchen.
You got a surprise, Mom.
Is that a surprise? Oh my God.
Where's Grandpa? Go see Grandpa. Go get Grandpa a hug.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Hey, man, what's up?
How you doing?
What's up? Get up on my knee. How you doing, man?
I know. Listen, I just know he was still on the phone from last night.
What's going on, boy?
Oh my God.
Hey.
Oh Lord have mercy.
Oh, boy, I'm telling you.
Oh Lord.
You're such a fine young man.
Oh my God have mercy. Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
You're gonna be okay.
Oh,
Look at Grandma. Let's see Grandma.
You need some CPR. You okay, Ma?
oh Lord have mercy. Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Did you tell Grandpa happy birthday?
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Grandpa!
Oh Lord have
Get
mercy.
another.
Oh, you gotta get Auntie Angela. Auntie
Hello, I
Angela.
know you.
Oh Lord have mercy. Oh Lord have mercy.
Come on, give Grandpa
Oh
another
Lord
hug.
have
You
mercy.
see, that's
Hey, give Grandpa
Oh
another.
Lord have mercy. Lord have
Man, I
mercy.
miss you. You
Oh
know
Lord,
that?
I forgot I wasn't feeling
Hey.
good. I feel better.
there you go.
Yeah.
Oh Lord
Want to
have
stay here with
mercy.
Grandpa?
How did you all get in and I didn't see you?
Oh,
Mama
man.
want to stay here with
We got all kinds of ways,
Oh
man.
Lord have mercy.
Okay.
Look at him. The shoes is all bright red.
He said he want to stay here with Grandpa.